my name is Tom and I have been here for quite a while. I always had a vision for this place. I would say it was about 2 or 3 years of kind of just developing the ideas and then eventually getting a design made. And at that point was when I engaged with Easy Renovations to actually complete the job of getting it done. What set Easy Renovations apart initially was just the detail and transparency in their quote. I think it was the communication, it was how thorough they were, it was just the general impression I got of the team, that they were just very professional and well organized. Like even just specifically when it came to the quote, it was very well broken down, it was very well explained. I could clearly understand where the costs were and how we could influence those costs and make changes, which we did. So I would say that was what the deciding factor for Easy Renovation. The actual process was well organized. I had a project manager that was sort of my main point of contact, and then I had various other people on the team that were specialized in certain areas. It was a difficult project to complete. It's a relatively small space, but just, a lot of small details like the baseboards being 1.5 inches was sort of non-standard. The way that we did the lighting, the doors, all these kinds of things were challenging, but that was something that, Easy Renovations handled really well, and also that I could see that they had a genuine interest and commitment in my vision for the project and achieving it that way. Like they wanted to challenge themselves. I would recommend Easy Renovations. They're a great company to work with, and I hope to work with them again in the future projects. I'm sure there'll be another one.